morning, everybody. It's Trudy from Panhandle Power Wash Supply, and I have some amazing news. We are now going to be offering package protection for everything you order. So what does that mean? It means like if your package came in damaged or lost, we will either replace it or refund it immediately. We will still need you to send us pictures if it's damaged. Obviously, we have to prove that the shipping companies damaged it, but that is through all shipping companies, including freight. So this is a service we're offering on top of our already great service. You will not have to worry about the shipping insurance anymore. We have taken that off the website. We are adding this service to every single item in our store that you purchase, and there'll be no waiting. There'll be no fighting with the shipping companies, and this is great news all around for everybody. And it's going to make it so much easier and a lot less headache, and you guys can get the items you need on time, hopefully, or at least get a replacement as quickly as possible. So you guys, this is great news. I am so excited we're able to offer this for you. You guys have a great day. Stay humble and hustle hard.